So, what is delta method? It is a process of finding the derivative of functions which can be used to find the derivatives of polynomials. How can we apply this in our daily lives? So we can apply this to be more productive. It can be applied to various aspects of life, such as personal finance, career development, and time management. By using the delta method, individuals can estimate the impact of changes in different variables, such as income, expenses, undesired outcomes like savings, and career advancement. That's all. Thank you.
So here is our final answer. Ito na ang pagkakagawa. First one is, step 1 is change the of y into y plus delta y and then ang x to x plus delta x. So after that, kanya nakuha na mo move that x plus delta x where minus 5 times x plus delta x plus that. So, hindi na siya refactor, but ako gigamit ko rin is, ako nang i-foil method. Ano na siya, then equal siya of x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared. X1 is multiply na natin siya. So, 2 times x squared. So, 2x squared. Then, 2 times 2x delta x. 4x delta x. And then, 2 times delta x squared. So, 2 delta x squared. Then, today, 5 times x is equal to negative 5x. Negative 5 times delta x equal to negative 5 delta x. And then, copy lang ang fraction. So, after that, gamit na mo step 2, which is i-valid ang y dito sa figure. So, ngayon mo na siya negative 5. Positive na siya dito. Delta y equal to 2x squared plus 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared minus 5x minus 5 delta x plus z and then minus the quantity of 2x squared minus 5x plus z. After that, we distribute na to ang negative side and nila. So, mayroon ng negative 2x squared 2x squared plus 5x minus 10. And then after that, amot lang i-cross out. So, so first is negative 2x squared. And then 5x. And then 10. After that, ako lang gamitin ang step 3. Divide natin sa kanan sa delta x. So, divide. So, cancel. Mabilis 4x and then direct. Cancel ang mabilis 2 delta x. So, direct. Tingnan lang 5. So, limit of 4x plus 2 delta x minus 5 as delta x approaches to 0. So, since may mo man siya ng 0, so 2 times 0 is equal to 0. So, ang mabilis is 4x minus 5. So, muna siya ang makuha na. So, this time, ako po itawag ng young slope and then ang tangent time. So, ako na po itawag ng slope of y and then muna ang value sa itong x of y. So, ako lang sa 4 times negative 3 minus 5. So, first, ang 4 times negative 3, negative 12 and then 5. Subtract, so negative 12 minus 5 is equal to 15. Tangent time, so, yun lang. So, y minus y sub y y minus 5 is equal to negative 17 times x plus 3. So, atong first, atong transpose ang negative 5 3 up. So, may mga siya, y is equal to negative 17x is equal to 5. So, ang final answer is y